Financial influencers will tell you that there's only one way to retire a millionaire. Buy real estate, start a business, just buy index funds and chill. A lot of them are incredibly biased because this one strategy worked for them, and candidly, you're asking the wrong question. I have been sitting on this opinion, watching everyone argue and sit on their binary narratives, and I've got to pipe in because I actually own stocks, real estate, a business. I've invested in real estate syndications, and all of those things have helped me become a millionaire as a single woman. I want to break down some real numbers and some real considerations beyond just the numbers to answer this question. Let's talk about real estate. Long-term ROI on average is roughly 8 to 12% per year, which includes rental income and appreciation. But this varies a lot on location, type, the economy, and it's not as passive as everyone says, at least in the beginning, and it can be risky. Vacancy, repairs, maintenance can cut into your margin. I know from personal experience that's true. That said, it's a great way to build long-term wealth. Right now, it's difficult to find good properties, but they are out there if you look in the right place. Number 2, market. S&P 500 average annual return is roughly 10%. 89% of pros can't beat index funds over the last 15 years, so passive investing is low fee, can be a great strategy, and you're going to get some tax savings in your 401k and your IRA. Number 3, own or buy a business. Sky high potential, could yield 1,000% return, is successful, but 45% of businesses fail in 5 years, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics data. It takes an incredible amount of time and skill and work to build something meaningful that has income, let alone something that can 5x, 10x, 100x in value over time. Other options include looking for a job at a startup company that will give you equity. You could also invest in a business as an angel investor, or you can get into private equity. Ownership is often going to be a great path to wealth. Instead of asking which one is better, we need to ask, what level of risk am I willing to take? What kind of lifestyle do I want, and how involved do I want to be? A business is full control, can be risky, longest learning curve to success, pretty hands-on. Real estate, initial time and capital investment is probably going to be substantial. Stock market, passive index fund investing can be super simple. You can get started in weeks, and you can diversify by investing in a bunch of different things at once, making it lower risk. I personally invest in all three, and all three have helped me build a decent amount of wealth. But stock market investing, that's the one that I believe is non-negotiable. Number one, because you're probably already doing it. If you have an IRA or a 401k, congratulations, you're an investor. Your money has exposure to the stock market. And number 2, because it's the easiest way to grow wealth and cut taxes, especially if you're using retirement accounts, and learning a simple passive strategy is something that you can do in a few weeks. Every wealthy person I know has more than one asset. Start with the one that fits your lifestyle, then stack over time if you want to be rich.